runner-up will receive 3,000 pesos cash, study crown, sash, and special token CLBB. The third runner-up will receive 3,000 pesos cash, stunning crown, sash, and special token to be awarded by Honorable Bernardo Abellon and Miss Jen Santos and Miss Isabelita from Lizano. Our third runner-up, is goes to candidate. Our third runner-up is goes to candidate number 11. The third runner-up is goes to candidate number 5. Number 5. The third runner-up will receive a 3,000 pesos cash, a crown, a sash, and special token. Congratulations, Miss Maha Salvador. The second runner-up will receive a 3,500 cash, a crown, a sash, and special token to be awarded by Honorable Bernardo Abellon, Miss Marian Carino, and Miss Jamaline Lizano Turuin. The second runner-up goes to candidate number. The second runner-up is goes to candidate number. The second runner-up is goes to candidate number 9. Ang pinakamanamit sa mga kandidata. Congratulations, Miss Buray. Congratulations, you will receive 3,500 cash, a sash, a crown, and a special token. Our first runner-up will receive a 4,000 pesos cash, study crown, a sash, and a special token to be awarded by Mr. Ryan Hamshan, Mr. Henry Camadoy, and Honorable Bernardo Abellon. Our first runner-up goes to candidate number. Mr. Michael David Villas, and Father Ron Martin. Ada umaga na. Taga-Better Home o taga-Bang Brothers? Halimbawa kaya, pagbigyan mo ka naman ka na nasa Better Home, kaya tawagan ka na kaya ni 20,000 sa matagot ka.
Bukod sa experience, bukod ng parang hindi ka nabahan experience and kasi ang kaya sir, sa kuya, sa base, para po sa kuya, memories are kaya people come and go pag memories are forever.
Halimbawa, ang offer mo kaya 50,000 kaya, ano mo kaya? Sige na. Tingnan ka mas tahaw. Ang init ko, ang aapunin ko po sa ngunyan, so Mr. Barakong Magayon 2026, ang aapunin ko. Pero ang init ng award din sa inutan, sa first runner-up, po, ang aapunin ko ay Barakong Magayon 2026, ang aapunin ko. Pero ang init ng award din, first runner-up, ang init na award din. The Barakong Magayon 2026. Ang sarong palang Barakong Magayon Hingaroy. Barakong Magayon Hingaroy. Ang sarong ba, Barakong Magayon 2026. Ang apunin ko niya sa Barakong Magayon 2026. Pero ang ilit na awardan sa Barakong Magayon Hingaroy. Miss Barakong Magayon Hingaroy will receive a 5,000 pesos cash, a crown, sash, trophy, and to be awarded by Honorable Mark Jem Chavez, Dr. Maria Erica Zing, and Honorable Bernardo Avillon will receive 5,000 cash, a crop, Hello. The Miss Barakong Magayon 2026 is candidate number. The Barakong Magayon 2026 will receive a 7,000 pesos cash, a bouquet, standing crown, a sash, a trophy, and a special token to be awarded by the Miss Barakong Magayon 2026 is goes to candidate number. Candidate number 12. The Barakong Magayon 2026 is goes to candidate number 7. Congratulations. Barakong Magayon 2020, Barakong Magayon Hinaro, is candidate number 8. What was it? 5,000 cash. Parang bago na marami. The Miss Barangay Mangalan 2026 will receive a 7,000 cash, a bouquet, a crown, a sash, trophy, and a special token to be awarded by Honorable Bernardo Abillon, Miss Mary Grace Duruing, Mr. Leonardo Duruing, Mr. Roberto Lizano, and all the members of the Board of Judges. Congratulations, Miss Barangay Mangalan 2026. Teka, saan mo naman nagkakaroon niya?
Dahil po sir, kasi no vacation, maroon po gabos na gabos na kabaliding days, competitive, 100%, ito ulit na gabos. Kasi gabos man kita pa sa competition, ang goal na talaga magkana.
Ayun. Dahil matindi magtarap-tarang, gano'n po din maglipat sa better home. Congratulations, candidate number 7, the Barangay Mangalan 2026 Leadership Edition. Salamat pong maray sa mga Board of Judges sa oras na tigta po ninyo sa muyang kunyan. Salamat po mga God bless po and ingat po pagpuli.